Okay, so we are doing word problems, example number 6.9, and we have reached this place where we have divided the entire equation by 2, and we've got x square plus 2x minus 35. Now, after you have reached this place, you have to split the middle term. Do you remember we have done this earlier also? Yes or no? Split the middle term. How do you split the middle term?
I multiply A and C then.
Yeah, but then I don't have anything in the place of A. So I keep it as 35. So I'm going to write minus 35 here, correct? I need to have two numbers that if I multiply, I get minus 35. And if I plus or minus, I get plus 2. So I need to have plus 2. That is why I'm keeping plus sign for the bigger number. 7 5s are 35. And plus 7 minus 5 is also plus 2. So have I got the middle term also? Yes. So this is how I'm going to split the middle term. Then the common, I'm going to remove the common. Once I remove the common bracket for one time and the outside bracket for one time. So I'm going to get x as minus 7 and x as 5. X cannot be negative because they are talking about the natural number. So if it cannot be negative, I'm going to chuck off this option. I'm going to cancel off this option. Do you understand, beta? Barira, can you hear me? Sharia, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes.
Pranav, then it is some problem at your end, beta. Okay, x cannot be negative as it is a natural number. Hence, x we will take as 5. And the next odd number after 5, what is it going to be? Can I say 7? So the two numbers are 5 and 7. Do you understand how I do this sum? Yes, Barira?
Yeah.
Sufyan, Sharia?
Yes.
Okay. Can we go ahead? Now look at 6.10. Now here what do they say? The sum of the areas of two square fields, okay, is 468. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 m, find the sides of the two squares. There are two squares, okay, and the difference in their perimeter. When I talk about difference means there is going to be a bigger square and there is going to be a smaller square. Yes or no? Because they're talking about the difference. So there is a difference between two squares in their perimeter. If there is a difference in the perimeter, that means one square is bigger and the other is smaller. So now let me take the bigger square as x. Okay. And let me take the smaller square as y. Now I need to know, according to whatever information they have given me, that if I have to find the perimeter, okay, what is the formula for perimeter of a square? Do you know the formula? How to find the perimeter of a square? Now supposing this is a square. Tell me, how will you get the perimeter of this square?
Into 4.
Yes. It is going to be 4 multiplied by the side. Am I right? Here we have taken the side of the bigger square as x. So if I say perimeter of the bigger square, will I say 4x? And if I talk about the perimeter of the smaller square, can I say 4y? Yes. This is for the bigger square and this is for the smaller square. Do you agree? Now what are they telling us? The difference is 24. So if difference is 24, can I write the equation like this? 4x minus 4y is 24. I divide the entire equation by 4 because all the numbers are going in 4. Yes or no? Are you all understanding what I'm doing? If I divide the entire equation by 4, this is what I get. X minus
Yes, ma'am.
y is equal to 6. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Now what I'm going to do is I can form the other equation. What is the other equation? The squares of their area is 468. If I call the side of the bigger square to be x, then the area of this is going to be x square. Side square is square ka area. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
And if I call the area of the smaller square to be y, then what is the area of that square going to be? The smaller square. Y square.
Yes, ma'am.
So I get x square plus y square as 468. Yes or no? Have you understood till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Now tell me 468, is it a square number? 21, the whole square is 441. Am I right? 22, the whole square is 484. It is coming in between the square numbers. So it is not a square number. Now what do I do? How do I solve? Now for that reason, what I will do is, I will substitute in place of x, I will substitute y plus 6 and solve the equation. Now x square plus y square is 468. If this was a square number, I would have directly taken the square root on both the sides and my work would have been done. But because this is not a square number, I'm not going to do this. I am going to substitute the value of x as y plus 6 and solve the equation. Y plus 6 the whole square, again I will open it with a plus b the whole square formula. Getting me? I will get 2y's. So I will do 2y square and whatever I get. Correct? And then I will divide the entire equation with 2. When I divide the entire equation with 2, this is what I get. Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
And then we will try to split this number so that we get 6. 216. How do you, if you don't know, how will you do the splitting? You will do it with the prime factorization. 2, 1, 0, and 3. Am I right? Now 103. With what number can I divide? Tell me. Tell me, can I divide it? It's a prime number. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am going to write 103 only here. 103 minus 2. Am I going to get 6? No. I hope you're understanding what I'm trying to tell you. Are you understanding what I'm doing?
Yes, ma'am.
So I am not going to get. Then what do I do in this case? Now the middle term is not getting split. Now what do I do? Can I do anything? The best thing that I will do is I'm going to write y square, okay, is equal to what I can do is I can take common outside first in the first two. Can I take common outside in the first two? Y, and then what can I get? Y plus 6. Correct? Minus 216. Am I right? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Y plus 6 is equal to positive 216. Am I right till here? Yes? I'm writing 216 like this, or wait. Now tell me, what do I do? Open the bracket. Or write y is equal to 216 divided by y plus 6. Can I write it like that? Yes or no?
Mm,
And then this we can take as the square root. If we try to remove the root, then 216 is any root. 36 into 6 is 36 into 6 is 216. Barabar? Am I right? So if I take the root out, so I'm going to get 6 outside and I'm going to get 6 inside. Correct? And I'm going to get a 2 here. Are you all getting what I'm doing? Because I'm not getting any response. I don't understand whether you all understand what I'm doing or not understand. Barina, is it clear?
Yeah.
So this is how they have solved this. And they have got plus 6 or minus 6 root of 36 plus 864 to make it equal. And then they have got their answer as minus 6 plus 60 plus 30 upon 2 and minus 6 minus 30 upon 2. What is minus 6 plus 30? Can you tell me? What is minus 6 plus 30? Can I say 24? And what is minus 6 minus 30? Can I say minus 36? Yes or no? This minus 24 by 2 will be 12 and minus 36 by 2 will be minus 18. Again, we cannot take the side as negative. So we are going to check off this option and we will take the option as y. So y is equal to 12. That will be your first option. And we know the difference between both is 6. So if one is 12, the other is going to be 18. Sufyan, are you understanding? Sharia, are you understanding?
Yes.
Can we go to the next one?
Yeah.
Now look at
Yes, ma'am.
6.11. Now they say product of digits of a 2-digit number is 12. So if we take the digit now, 2-digit number means if I have one as the tens place and one I have as the units place, they say the product of both the digits is 12. If I multiply, it's going to be 12. If I take the tens digit to be x and I take the units digit to be y, okay, tens digit, that number is going to be 10x. Tell me yes or no, because it is in the tens place. I have to multiply with 10. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So my original number or my number actually is 10x plus y. Am I right? Like if it was 3 and 4, okay, 3 and 4, what is my number going to be? 34, correct? So 10 multiplied by 3 plus 4. This is what I do. Am I right? Do you understand what I speak, beta?
Yeah.
So what is my original number become? 10x plus y. Now they say when the digits are interchanged. Now when the digits are interchanged means what is going to happen? Y is going to come here. X is going to go there. What is the interchange number going to be? 10y plus x. Am I right? Yes, beta.
Yes.
When 9 is added to the numbers, the digits interchange their places. So if I interchange it, that means I have to add 9 to the interchanged number, correct? Or if I add 9 to the original number, it will become an interchanged number. Original number plus 9, if I do, will it become interchanged number? When 9 is added, then what happens? The digits change their places. So original number plus 9, will it become interchanged number, beta? Yes or no? Sharia understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Barira understood?
Yes.
Okay, so that is why I will write the original number. I will add 9 to it. I will get the interchange number. Now I will start solving it. When I solve, what I do, I take x on this side. So x becomes subtracted. Okay. I also take 10y on this side. So even 10y is subtracted. And I take 9 on the other side. So that 9 also becomes minus 9. Can you see how I got this step?
Yes.
Now 10x minus x will be 9x. Y minus 10y is going to be minus 9y and minus 9. Now you can see all the three numbers are 9. Can I divide the entire equation with 9? What do I get? X minus y is equal to minus 1. Am I right? Yes or no? If I get this equation, can I say x is equal to y minus 1? They tell us that the product is 12. Am I right? Now, in place of this x, if I do the substitution of y minus 1 in this place, so y minus 1 multiplied by y should be 12. y multiplied by y will be y square. 1y minus 1 multiplied by y will give me minus y, and I bring 12 on this side. Now I have got 12 here, and I need to have, okay, this is minus. I need to split the number. I split this number into two numbers, that is 4 and 3, because when I subtract 4 and 3, do I get y? That means 1. Do I get 1? Yes. I need to have minus y. That means I will keep the bigger number as minus, smaller number as plus. Are you all understanding what I'm doing? I'm splitting the number. So I have got, here I will get one step, and that is going to be y square minus 4x plus 3x minus 12. Tell me, have I written it correctly? Now I'm going to take common with the first two. If I take common in the first two, what do I get? Y. Sorry, x nahi aayega, y aayega na yahan par. Tell me, what will I get? Y as common. What is the other thing? Y minus 4. Can I write it like this? Then I write plus 3 y minus 4. Whatever is common, I will write for one time. And whatever is not common, I will write for one time. So I get these two brackets. Now you can see that I have got y as 4 and I have got y as minus 3. We cannot have any digit as negative. So I will check off this option and I will take y as 4. So when I take y as 4, the number, the original number. See, if I take y as 4, their product has to be 12. So this is going to be 3. Am I right? So my number that I have got is 34. Do you get me, bacha?
Yes.
Can we do the next one? Pranav, are you understanding? Sufyan?
Yes, ma'am.
Sufyan, are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
What about you, Barira? Okay, now we are moving to this sum, 6.12. The sum of two natural numbers is x. Sorry, the sum of two natural numbers is 12. Okay, if two natural numbers ka sum 12 hai, if I take one as x, can I take the other as 12 minus x? Yes. If the sum of their reciprocals is 4 upon 9, reciprocals मतलब उनका sum का reciprocals. So अगर x का reciprocal करना है, what is going to be the reciprocal of x? Can I say 1 upon x? What is going to be the reciprocal of 12 minus x? Can I say 1 upon 12 minus x? Yes or no?
Yes.
These are the reciprocals. Their sum, they are saying, is going to be 4 upon 9. So if I add them, then it is going to be 4 upon 9. So I added them and I got 4 upon 9. Now tell me, can I do the addition like this? Denominators are not same. So to make the denominator same, I have to multiply this with 12 minus x. So if I multiply the denominator, I have to multiply the numerator also with 12 minus x. So I get 12 minus x plus x upon x, 12 minus x. Am I right? Yes or no? Because this 12 minus x also has to be multiplied by x. And if the denominator is multiplied by the x, we also need to multiply the numerator by x. Do you get what I do?
Yeah.
So we have got this part. Now, after we have got this part, what are we going to do? You can see this minus x and plus x can be cancelled. Correct? So what is remaining is 12. 12x minus x square is equal to 4 upon 9. Now what we can do is we can do cross multiply. We can multiply 12 with 9 and we can multiply 12x multiplied by x square multiplied by 4. Are you getting me? Or you want me to do this step here? Have you understood this step or you want me to do it?
Understood, ma'am.
Yes? You got it?
Understood.
Understood,
Yes,
na?
ma'am.
Okay, great.
Yes.
Great. So 12 nines are upon 4 when we do, we will get this. So when we actually calculate it, 4 ones are 4 threes are 3 nines are is 27 and we get this. Now what are we supposed to do? We are supposed to solve this quadratic equation. So to solve this quadratic equation, first we can frame it properly. To frame it properly, what I do is I change the sides. That means 12x I write on this side. Okay. Or simply what I can do is, let me change the side like that. Now just imagine if I'm taking x square minus x square on the other side, what is it going to become? Plus x square? Yes. If I'm taking plus 12x on the other side, what is it going to become? Minus. Keep 27 as it is on that side and write equal to. Now what you need to do is you need to take this number 27 and split it in such a way that if you add or subtract, you should get 12. Now 27 in such a way. Tell me which two numbers that will give you 12. 9 threes are? Am I right? Now I need a minus sign for 12. So my bigger number is going to be minus. But I also need 12. So both have to be minus. Because minus 9 minus 3 is going to give me minus 12. Am I right? Do you get me till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Now by this, we get the value of x as either 3 or we get the value of x as 9. Okay. First number x is 3 and the other number, if you remember, we did 12 minus x. Do you remember? 12 minus x. Now if I do 12 minus x, that means 12 minus 3. Will I get 9? So I can say that if x is 3, then the other number is 9, or if x is 9, then the other number is 12. So the two required numbers are 3 and 9. Have you understood, beta?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
See, these are the solved examples that I have done today with you. In text, these questions, check your progress. I will do it in the next class, but I want you all to practice these sums very well and ask me if you have doubt in any of the sum in the next class. Is it very clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So I end my class for today here.